Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we are going to talk about tenses structure. Why do I talk about structure? Because structure plays a key role in understanding something. Whether there is tense, voices, narrations or anything, I personally like structures. Because structures build up a concept in your mind and then you use that concept in your daily speaking. Inshallah, in the upcoming videos, we'll be talking about the tenses usage as well, which tense is used for which situation. But now we are only talking about structure. So keep these two formulas in your mind. The first formula is when we change present into past, we change the first form of helping verb into second form of helping verb. There can be a situation in which there is no helping verb in a sentence. So if there isn't a helping verb in a sentence, we will change the main verb into second form. And then I have mentioned the second forms of helping verbs, like the second form of is and am is was, the second form of are is were, the second form of has and have is had, the second form of do and does is did. So I have mentioned these all. There you can see the whole formula. If you apply this formula, this one, so you will very easily understand this thing. Remember, changing present into past is a very easy thing. It's not difficult. Unfortunately, what our teachers do, I'm also a teacher and I have been doing. So we teach one tense separately. For example, today I taught the students present simple tense. Tomorrow I'll teach them present progressive, or you can call it continuous as well. So by doing this, you can't learn tenses. Even if tenses are taught to you more than 100 times, you can't learn them. And you know that in our schools, in our colleges, even in our universities, tenses are being taught to us. They have been taught many times to us, but we don't understand. When the teacher is doing the tense, we understand very easily, but after that, I cannot put tenses in my daily speaking. Where the problem is there is very little slight difference between tenses. We should understand that. Present and past tenses are not totally different than one another. You know, we normally think that present is very different, past is very different. It is not so. There is only one point if we understand, so then we can change present into past with no problem at all. For example, you just keep these two formulae in your mind. When we change present tense into past, we change the first form of helping verb to second form of helping verb. And if there isn't a helping verb in a sentence, we will change the main verb into second form. So you just see present simple tense, or you can call it present indefinite tense, which is used for daily habits, daily routine. I play cricket. Now you see, play is the first form, and there isn't any helping verb in this sentence. So when we change it into past, we don't have to change anything. We just need to change the verb. Play was changed into played. So if this is present simple, this is past simple. Just by changing the first form of verb into second form. Now, he doesn't smoke. And as you see, the does is helping verb. So we will apply the first formula here. Does is helping verb and its second form is did, as I have mentioned. So we just changed does into did. He didn't smoke, and by changing does into did, the whole tense got changed. This is present simple and this became past simple. Same is the formula here. Do you teach? Do is first form of helping verb. We changed it into did. Just we change do into did. So do is first form and we changed it into second form, and there occurred past simple tense. Present progressive tense. Now you just apply the first formula here, because in all of the progressive tenses there must be a helping verb. I am playing cricket. Am is first form of verb and we change it into second form of verb because the second form of am is was. So when we change it into was, this is present progressive. Automatically there occurred past progressive tense. He isn't smoking. So you see, is first form of verb. We change it into was and it became it. He wasn't smoking. Are you teaching? Are is the first form of helping verb, we changed it into were. So this tense is present progressive, and this tense became past progressive. So did you see? There isn't much difference between present tenses and past tenses. You can very easily understand present and past when you understand this formula. This is the key to solving all the tenses. Today we talked about present simple and present progressive, only the simple and progressive tenses we talked about. Tomorrow, inshallah, in the next video, we will talk about perfect and perfect progressive. Thanks for watching. Keep watching and keep improving your English. Thanks a lot.